How to download Facebook Messenger chat conversations. Hello everybody, welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily download your Facebook chats. So Meta has provided you a separate option where you can easily download all of your chats on Facebook Messenger. But before we begin, I want you to head down below to hit the like button and the subscribe button as well. On that note, let's begin. So the first thing that you want to do is open up your Messenger app, and from here tap on the hamburger menu to head over to your settings by tapping on the gear icon. Once you get to your profile, all you have to do is scroll all the way to the bottom until you see your account center. Tap on it to navigate your way to your account center. So if you tap on profiles, you will get a list of all of the profiles that's connected with your account center. Now, all you have to do here is tap on your information and permissions. And here you will get an option to download your information. Tap on it. And from here, you just want to tap on download or transfer information right here. Select what you want to download. I'm just going to select my Facebook because my messenger is connected with it. Tap on next, and if you want to download everything, you can select the first option, but I just want to specifically download my messages, so I'm just going to choose the second option. And here you will just have to select messages. Tap on next, and from here tap on download to device and create files. Just make sure to add your email address and you will be notified there. So that is it for this video. I hope you found it helpful and stay tuned for more.